Sarah, pull the car over. WR55S, is that my car?
On June 20th, I was advised of a stolen vehicle from Walmart in Pocahontas. The driver of the vehicle was identified by security footage to be Sarah E. Bates.
Are you attempting to go 1024 with that red Corvette?
Go ahead.
Be Highway 63 here at the red light at Walnut Ridge with Adam William Robert 557.
Bates was allegedly under the influence of intoxicants. The vehicle was located traveling south on U.S. Highway 63 near Sedgwick by an off-duty Pocahontas police officer.
Roll the windows down.
Y'all go from seat 1063, proceed 48.
48, John, for us starting to take off.
Vehicle.
Run the red light here, Walnut Ridge taking off. It's 1037 northbound on 63.
Vehicle 810. Y'all go see 4 is correct. 4 is for the red.
Stop the car.
31 Johnson's 424. Vehicle. Ridge. Okay, I'm leaving off this I'll try to keep that video right here. They may.
John, we're continuing northbound on 63 past 67.
Northbound past 67. What's your speed and traffic?
The 113 light traffic. Don't crash out. Pull the car over, Earl. Sarah, pull the car over. Stop the car, Sarah. Sarah, just stop the car. Pull over so you don't get hurt, Sarah. Just stop the car. TVI, we're in the ditch. Sarah, show me your hands. Sarah Bates, I know who you are. Show me your hands. Sarah, get over here, now.
I placed Bates under arrest and advised her of her rights, and she stated she did not understand. I transported Bates to the Lawrence County Jail to conduct a DWI investigation.
You're in a lot less trouble if you just pulled over. The heck do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
Get up. Well, here's what I do know. You're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated.
That's not your car. And you just ran from me at over 113 miles an hour.
Bates was charged with driving on a suspended license, improper passing on the right, failure to stop at a red light, reckless driving, fleeing in a vehicle with substantial risk of danger or death, and DWI drugs. The chase took place on September 6th. Police officer Grady Pettigrew was patrolling the streets in a search of a stolen Nissan. After some time, the car was spotted and the chase began.
Age 19 to Fort Smith, 1037. I'm on.
We're coming through you. Okay, we ain't through yet.
Due to the fact that police car brakes are very weak, after a large number of accelerations and decelerations, the brakes simply failed. The police officer is fine. The only victim in this chase was a tree.
Brakes locked up on me and I slid out.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm okay.
Oh my God, I saw it right back here.
Yes, no, I'm fine.
On June 15th at approximately 11:19 a.m., field training officer Dwayne Niles and I were located at North Little Rock Police Department.
All right. Out on 2030, 1037. TV on? Yep. All right. It's attempting a TV on.
There you go. Now break.
TV out, TV out, TV out.
Perfect. About 3. Just get on the back side, right? You're cutting your car. There you go.
ASP dispatch advised the Jacksonville Police Department was requesting assistance with a pursuit traveling on I-57 South approaching McCain. I performed a successful TVI of the suspect and in the pursuit. Field training officer Niles and I exited our vehicle and safely moved to get online with Jacksonville PD and assisted with a felony takedown. Jacksonville PD secured the suspect in handcuffs. The suspect's vehicle was towed by Jacksonville PD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for every comment and like.